Right, Colin, let's summarise what we want from our new packaging. We need to put 12 times the amount of current information that's on the pack. We need the information to stay with the pack throughout the supply chain into the hands of the consumer. We need the consumer to be able to refer back to the information on multiple occasions. We need a primary and also a secondary supplier around the globe, but they all must have common technology. What we want is one pack for all markets, regardless of the language. We need to simplify procurement and reduce our stock holding unit. We want to show we're environmentally friendly, so we need to reduce the packaging. And finally, we want to improve the line speed and reliability so we avoid any stoppages on the production line. Right, Colin, I'd like you to go away, come back to me next week and let me know what you find.
The ever-increasing legislative and consumer demand for product information and extended on-pack content poses a continual problem for manufacturers worldwide. Just how can such lengthy details be conveyed on the product? Conventional methods have their disadvantages. Loose leaflets and neck tags can become easily detached or lost. A carton and loose leaflet can also get lost or at least be difficult to use. Besides this, inserting the information into the pack in the first instance is notoriously difficult, if not impractical at times. A common solution to this is to reduce type sizes. However, this often results in the label being unreadable, may discourage your end user from making the best out of the information, and at times may even contravene legislative guidelines. So what is the cure for such a packaging headache? Fixaform provides the ultimate solution. By combining an ordinary printed leaflet with a self-adhesive label supplied on reel, now you can create unlimited space where space is limited. Detailed information can be accommodated in a variety of formats, either in a concertina leaflet style or a booklet style with virtually any number of pages, providing maximum user-friendliness, or a cross-folded leaflet style, ideal for conveying extensive user information and promotional posters or brochures. With a whole host of features and benefits, it is no wonder that brand owners and manufacturers worldwide are increasingly choosing Fixaform to provide their packaging solutions. And furthermore, Fixaform products can be applied to virtually any container or pack type.
Located in one of the largest rural regions in England, the originators of the Fixaform concept quickly found the agrochemical industry to have a widespread requirement for extensive on-pack information, readily accepted at the time in the late 70s and endorsed by many international agricultural authorities.
Essentially, we're involved in the horticulture industry. We provide protection and nutrition to the homeowner, to the domestic gardener.
Fixaform products allow detailed information to be securely contained inside a sealed leaflet or booklet, and would typically include application rates and timing, including charts and pictograms, precautions and health warnings, as well as storage information.
We're using Fixaform on products where we need to communicate a lot of information. So it's across a spectrum of products where the packaging doesn't allow us to say a lot on the packaging. For example, these products in front of us here, there's not enough space on this product to say what we need to say, and this is where we Fixaform.
This information can be resealed for future reference or alternatively removed for safekeeping. A laminated front face allows critical information to be fully sealed and protected against spillages or moisture penetration whilst in the field.
The amount of information we need to communicate to our consumers is enormous. We need to tell them about how to treat the product, remembering that these are chemicals. So they need to be able to take certain precautions in terms of the clothing they wear, gloves, masks, how to rinse the product, how to apply the product, overdosing, underdosing is a huge problem which affects the efficacy of the products. So by having it there, using Fixaform really works well for us.
Additional features include perforations to allow access via the front cover, tamper evidence, and areas where additional information can be added, such as batch codes and expiry dates. We can even add anti-counterfeit features, such as holograms, to your products.
If I had to summarize what Fixaform did for our products, it would really be the aesthetics. It looks that much better, not having the plastic sachet on the outside or having it glued on or a necktie on it. The fact that we don't lose the labels, we have much less consumer comebacks. So we have less calls through our call centers asking how do you apply the product, for us to fax instructions to the homeowner. Those are the benefits that have made our products really that much better.
Whatever your requirements, Fixaform can provide the solution. It is no wonder that Fixaform has enjoyed widespread popularity with multinational manufacturers of all kinds of consumer goods. Fixaform Global Network offers the cure to your packaging headaches. Unlimited space where space is limited, for example multilingual. Automatically applied using standard labeling equipment with little or no effect on current production speeds.
Adaptable to virtually any container